Hey Allan, it's Will here. Hey, sorry I won't be able to inspect the properties with you today. I need to close this $9 million warehouse deal in Brisbane. So can you do these inspections by yourself? Make sure you take lots of photos and videos, and when you come back, we'll go through the numbers together, okay?
So we're here at the property. There's the F45 sign, music pumping. We're just waiting for the agent to arrive. But so far, so good. The property looks like in pretty good condition. Doesn't look like there's a lot that needs to be done from the outside. Obviously, F45 being a pretty big brand, they're not going to occupy a property which is falling apart. So this is a good sign so far, and we're going to take a closer look inside. I don't know if we'll be able to comment much because the music's pretty loud. People doing a workout inside, but I might just come here and have a look, maybe show you kind of inside, and we'll get a closer look when the agent turns up. While we're waiting, you can see here, basically like a warehouse space, and then you've got the office section here, which we're going to have a look. And there's space for 3 cars there, parking outside as well. And generally, the property looks in pretty good nick so far.
That's the property there, 47 Capella Crescent. See from the just from across the road here, it's a solid brick warehouse, fairly high clearance on the roller door there. Get a bit of a closer look.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe.